my name is Ronnie. We are going to make biscuits today. We take one like this, and then we put it down on the thing. And then we take another one and get it down on that. Then we take another one.
Are these buttermilk biscuits, I bet?
No.
Oh, okay.
Mama.
Okay.
This is how many you should have.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Now you're going to put them in the oven and put the timer on for 10 minutes.
And then we put the...
Oh, you let Mama help. You open the door and I'll put it in there.
No, I want to.
It's too hot. Here, come on. Open it all the way. Don't open it. Hold it down there. Okay.
And that's how you put it in.
Okay, now you put your timer on. Hit timer. See up right here. You hit it and then put 10. And then put, wait, start. And now stand by me. This girl is the kitchen cook. She's not the kitchen cook. She is the chef in the kitchen.
I am the chef in the kitchen, and now we are going to make eggs.
Let me get some oil. But always have this oil, okay?
You gotta put some oil in.
It has to be hot. Pour them in there, Ronnie. Don't touch the skillet because it's really hot.
And then you
just pour them in.
pour.
Okay, that's enough. Now get away from the skillet.
Then we gotta wait until...
Here, get up and stir it. Stir it all around. Don't touch it.
Ah. And it's very hard to stir it until it's, when you get it all done, you flip it. Like.
It ain't done yet, huh? Look at me. Say good morning, girls and boys.
Good morning, girls and boys.
Good morning to you.
To you. And this is how you do an egg.
Okay, the end. That's enough.